Offerlab is a fresh take on affiliate marketing built around collaborative funnels that let creators, funnel builders, and affiliates team up to sell multiple offers in one checkout. It's not your typical affiliate network, it's more like a marketplace where you can bundle products from different creators and split commissions automatically. The platform claims you can go from setup to launch in under 60 seconds with no tech skills required. Funnel builders get access to proven offers. Affiliates can earn more per click by stacking upsells. Creators can list their products and let others promote them. But here's the catch. It's still early stage. And while the concept is promising, the ecosystem depends on active participation. If creators don't list compelling offers or affiliates don't promote, the funnel dies. So is it the best way to make money? No. If you are proactive and know how to build funnels or drive traffic, of course, Offerlab can be a powerful tool. But if you're expecting passive income or plug and play results, it might feel like a waste of time.